Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will share with you how to make easy yogurt at home. Then we will turn that yogurt into a creamy drink. If you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel, like the video if you find it helpful, and leave a thoughtful comment. I have been making a lot of this yogurt this summer break because it's the perfect healthy snack to give to my toddler. So for our homemade yogurt, we will use full cream milk powder. I will leave a link to download the full recipe in the description. Measure the milk powder into a bowl and then add hot water. The hot water will help dissolve the milk powder fast, and it will help to achieve the temperature we need for the yogurt. Mix this really well and then go in with your cold water. This water mix will give us the right temperature that will be perfect for the culture to thrive. You can check the temperature of the milk with your finger. It should be slightly warm and you should be able to leave your finger in there comfortably. Next, we go in with the yogurt culture or the starter. Dissolve the starter in a little milk before adding it into the main bowl of your milk. You can also use Greek yogurt, like leftover Greek yogurt. Mix the milk thoroughly so that the culture combines very well with the milk. Then go ahead to wrap the bowl in a blanket or a thick bed sheet and keep it in a warm place for 12 hours or overnight. I used my turned off oven for this. By the next day, your yogurt will be ready. Just see how thick it is already. Now, if you want to make Greek yogurt, simply strain the yogurt in a cheesecloth or ogi cloth and it will be thicker, which is Greek yogurt. This thickness is actually perfect for the drink I want to make, so I won't be straining mine today. For the drink, I add a can of coconut milk for that delicious coconut flavor. If you don't want coconut milk, you can use regular milk, and then I add honey to sweeten. You can also use sugar if you prefer. Mix this really well, and then I go in with some chopped apples and chopped coconut flakes. You can use any mix of fruits and nuts that you like. When it is well combined, transfer to your storage bottles, refrigerate, and it is ready to enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and then drop a thoughtful comment, and I will see you next time. Bye.